Buenos días, bienvenidos a la última semana de clases, a la semana 15. Okay, so I want to welcome you to semana 15, although I am going to explain a little bit about what's going to happen in 16, what will happen the week after. Okay, so obviously when you click on semana 15, you come to this page, and you will be watching the Vista General Semanas 15-16 video. And then this week, the objectives are that you'll be able to express doubt and denial, opinions using impersonal expressions, hope using ojalá, and existence of things. So you'll be reading the appropriate pages in the text and completing the assigned My Spanish Lab activities. There will be a grammar quiz in My Spanish Lab. And please take the ASU course evaluations if you have not already done so. You will also be commenting on the cultural language contact presentation number 3 of 3 of your classmates, as well as signing up for the final oral. Okay, so this week, we will be covering pages 173 to 181. You can find the plan here, and I will also put it up here. Okay. You will complete the course evaluations. I apologize, let me back up one moment. Okay, so you're going to be reading the textbook and completing the corresponding My Spanish Lab activities. You'll take the grammar quiz in My Spanish Lab. You'll complete the ASU course evaluations. You'll comment on the language and cultural contact presentations, number 3, of 3 of your classmates. You'll sign up to take the final oral exam, and again, complete the course evaluations on My ASU. Obviously, it's very important that you do that. Okay? So right below, you have the link. You'll be watching 3 of your classmates' language and cultural contact presentations. You'll post a comment to each one of them through the discussion board, the Foro de Discusiones. You want to talk about what you liked about the presentation, what you think could be improved for future presentations, and what you learned from it. Okay, and this will be part of your participation in student engagement grade. Okay, then you have the information about signing up for the final oral exam. The final oral exam will be held on April 30th and May 2nd during finals week. Okay, so please sign up with a time before Friday, April 26th. And here is the Google Calendar link. Okay, and then you will attend the time you select as of Friday, April 26th. Okay, and I have plenty of slots open in the morning and afternoons. Okay, so your final oral exam is actually going to be very similar to the midterm oral exam. Okay, so it'll be approximately 10 to 15 minutes. Okay. You want to make sure that your calendar is set up to Arizona time, your webcam is working, your audio is working, and we will connect through Adobe Connect. So you have the link right there. Okay. The exam, again, is going to consist of 2 parts. The vocabulario, which this time around will be over vital signs, part 1 and part 2. And again, I'll give you 10 words in English, and you'll give me the Spanish translation without looking it up. Then you're going to be studying the dialogues you have participated in since the midterm, so looking particularly at dialogues 5 through 9. I'm going to create a situation combining the information from these dialogues, okay? And I will be using the same dialogue rubric that you are familiar with. Okay? So by the middle of week 15, I will have graded dialogues 8 and 9. Okay, so that is it for this week. It's actually kind of a short week. Okay, as always, let me know if you have any questions y buena suerte.